TikTok did it again. Y'all see these things? They're a Bluetooth headphone set built into a headband and also has a microphone, so you can even do phone calls off this thing. The headphones are built into the side. You can slide them around to perfectly line up with your ears. You can even slide them down over your eyes to sleep with them on. So that way, if you want to listen to music, podcasts, maybe that your partner doesn't want to listen to, you can fall asleep with these on. You can use them at the gym while out jogging, especially in the wintertime, going to keep your ears nice and warm. They are washable. All the controls are on the top here, or you can use whatever device you're running it off of to control the volume, accept your phone calls, all that good stuff. They're on sale right now, guys. Go check them out. These things are super cool.